Shall print the register as we wait for.
Mashira maria makoretwo mari muhega hari obi wa kamite ya wamburani kamitini ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC makoretwo mari andu aria mari na muwathe kwaga gukuruhanio na uhawagi wa wigananu. Mushirithania wa igoti rinene ria Kiambu Dola Chepkwony akiuga hatirari na wira mwiganu wa kuonania oma wa ndeto ino.
Having established that the petitioner has not proven the alleged constitutional and statutory violations, the main orders being sought to declare that the panel lists offence Articles 10 and 54 of the Constitution and certiorari to quash the list are not merited on the available evidence.
Akirekereria itua riake mushirithania Chepkwony oho ni areganire na ihoya ria kuregana no ria ngwataniro ya Azimio ya murire amemba ayo akiuga Azimio dia kuruhanitio shira-ini uyo.
It does not contain any contradictory evidence such as affidavits from the aggrieved participants within the minority coalition party that the nomination was a sham or that a non-transparent process was conducted or at all. The minority coalition party, the very entity whose process the petitioner impugns, was not joined in these proceedings as a party.
Riukana Evans Misati, Nicodemus Bore, Dr. Augustus Muli, Dr. Nelson Makanda, Fatma Saman na Tanui Andrew Kipkoech nimekwabiliria gifarua gia gwetha makamishina erwa kamiti ya IEBC ni itua ririmo kwinima President William Ruto mbere ya githurano kinene kia mwaka wa 2027. Ihinda-ini ori watongoria a mung'ethaniro ni mahinyiririe President William Ruto ahitukie maritwa maya hatari kuria maregu. Mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka akihutiriria ciiko cia ukugia wara iria ciahota gukorwo igithie na mbere wabici-ini cia IEBC.
We gather there is somebody, a former commissioner, sitting as an advisor in State House who is giving instructions to the IEBC Secretariat. The country is watching and they are testing waters. If we allow them to go on with the procurement, the next thing they want to do is even procure election materials for 2027, print them in excess of the numbers that will be there in order to further compromise the integrity of the election process.
The first task William had was to dismantle IEBC. We now have gone for more than 2 years without an IEBC. He seems set now to embark on dismantling the judiciary. The removal of the security team or the security officers from the CJ's office, because we are dealing with the office.
Kalonzo aheanite murugamoyo ona gutwika ni arakuruhanitio thini wa umwe wa mashira maria mararugamitia obi wa kamite ya wamurani akiregana na ritwa ria Dr. Augustus Muli wa kiama kia NLP na handu hake akiendekithia Koki Muli aihurithia riu. President Ruto agihitukia maritwa ma Aria Mamuritwo kamite-ini no na mambike mihango ya gucagura makamishina IEBC maria makamishina ya megutanyo matangikire niguo kuikana na mahinda ni gutafania ithurano wadi-ini na icigo bunge iria itari na arugamiriri hamwe na kwambika mihango ya uthurimi wa mihaka ya icigo.